Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more English stories. Fluency in English is something many people want. I remember when I was a young student like you. I wanted to speak English well. I wanted to be fluent, but I was shy and made many mistakes. One day, a teacher said to me, "You can be fluent if you practice every day." This sentence changed my life. When you want something, you must work for it. Fluency does not come in one day. It is like planting a tree. You put the seed in the ground, water it, and give it sunshine. Every day, you care for it, and then one day, the tree grows big and strong. The same is true for fluency. One day, a student came to me. She was very sad. She said, "Teacher, I want to speak English, but I always forget the words." I smiled and said, "Do not worry. Fluency is not about remembering all the words. It is about practice." She looked at me with hope in her eyes. "But how can I practice?" she asked. I told her, "Practice is everywhere. You can practice by talking to your friends, by listening to stories, and by singing songs. You can practice every moment of the day." I remember when I was in school. I loved stories. I would listen to them every night. My teacher would read to us, and I would repeat the words. At first, I was slow, but with time, I became faster. I learned new words, and my confidence grew. Another student asked me, "Teacher, is fluency only about speaking fast?" I said, "No, fluency is about speaking clearly. It is about making others understand you. You do not have to speak quickly. You have to speak with confidence." There was once a boy in my class who spoke very fast, but no one could understand him. I told him, "Slow down, speak clearly, and use simple words." He listened, and soon everyone could understand him. He became more confident and enjoyed speaking in English. Fluency is like a journey. You take one step at a time. You do not rush. You enjoy the process. One day, you look back and see how far you have come. I have seen many students who were afraid to speak at first, but with time and practice, they became fluent. There is a secret to gaining fluency. It is a simple secret: listen. Listen to others speak English. Listen to stories. Listen to songs. Listen to conversations. The more you listen, the more you learn. I once knew a girl who loved music. She would listen to English songs every day. Soon, she started singing along. Her fluency improved because she was listening and repeating. Another important thing is to not be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are our best teachers. I remember a student who was very afraid of making mistakes. She would not speak because she thought others would laugh at her. I told her, "Do not worry about mistakes. Every mistake is a lesson." One day, she decided to speak in class. She made many mistakes, but she did not stop. She kept speaking. After a while, she became better. She told me, "I am not afraid anymore." That was the day she started to become fluent. Fluency is not only about speaking, it is also about listening, reading, and understanding. Another student once asked me, "Teacher, how long will it take me to become fluent?" I replied, "It depends on you. If you practice every day, you will see progress. If you stop, you will not grow. Time will pass anyway, so why not use it to improve yourself? Every day is a new chance to learn something new." I want you to remember something very important: confidence is the key. If you believe in yourself, you will speak. If you speak, you will improve. If you improve, you will become fluent. Do not compare yourself to others. Everyone has their own journey. Some learn fast, and some learn slowly. But in the end, those who do not give up always succeed. I remember a student who was not very good at English. He struggled a lot. But he never stopped trying. Every day, he practiced. Every day, he listened. Every day, he spoke. After 1 year, he became one of the best students in the class. His secret was simple: consistency. Consistency is more powerful than talent. Even if you practice a little every day, it will make a big difference. Think about it. If you learn 5 new words every day, in 1 month, you will know 150 new words. In 1 year, you will know more than 1,800 words. That is the power of small steps. Do not wait for the perfect moment. Start now. Speak, even if you are not perfect. Listen, even if you do not understand everything. Read, even if it is difficult. Step by step, you will improve. And one day, you will speak English fluently without fear. So keep going. Keep practicing. And never give up. Your journey to fluency starts today.